First, we had to prepare the floor. We put floor leveler over the seams of the plywood and over fastener heads and any low spots. Next, it was time to cut the vinyl flooring to size and get ready to put it in. Alright guys, so we just laid down the floor. Looks really good. Haven't glued it yet, we're just about to. And here we go, here's what it looks like. Looks really nice. We're going to be using this type of glue. Alright guys, so we're starting to put on the interior walls. 1/4" glue on plywood. Cutting out outdoor outlet right there. And cut all the other ones off the side. Alright guys, so we got most of the inside walls almost done. So I did the 1/4" glue on plywood, and then I have some 5/8 trim. This trim is for the slide outs. This is just for cover over the lift arms. We added some access panels for our wiring in case we need to get in there or add a wire or something. So that's new from the old one. 2 access panels, and then we added an outlet right there. So we ran our wire from the outdoor outlet to this box, and then it goes out here. And we're going to run it underneath the cabinets to this outlet in this area, and then back to the breaker panel. Now that we got all the inside walls done, I sanded it with a 220 grit sandpaper, all the wood, and then we started to put our coats of paint on. Alright guys, so we got 2 coats of paint on. I got this trim on that I made out of sheet metal. Looks pretty good. Had the metal trim on top where we needed it. And I added some rubber like they had, but a little more beefed up, so hopefully it'll keep out the water more than the old ones. Nice trim all the way along the side. Here's the other side here. So we're just getting the trim and just painting, finishing everything up. And we are also putting on the trim on the outside. What we're trying to do is just get this ready for winter. Get the top back on because it is supposed to snow soon. So trying to get everything buttoned up for the winter. So this is what's going on, just trying to finish some things up here. Got the trim for the door made as well on this side. There was plastic trim before. It was the exact same stuff, just plastic. So pretty much duplicated what they already had, and yeah, that's what we got going on.